Goal and expectation 5 years. Hello teacher, my name is Kimi Joanna Arisa Polo, public accounting student. My achievements in the medium term are at the personal level. I will seek to organize the house we have in the desired and dream way since as a woman I like beautiful things such as a beautiful kitchen, a very nice bedroom, and dream finishes. In the 5 years, my daughter will be 9 years old and will already be in school. I will already be 37 years old and age where I must have a maturity on a personal and spiritual level. Thank you.